If you're on LinkedIn, you're probably trying to grow your network, but have you ever tried to message someone outside your network only to find that option locked? So in today's video, I'm going to break down the differences between LinkedIn's connection degrees. So be sure to stay tuned till the end of this video where I'm going to spill my secrets. So first degree connections. These are connections whom you've connected with directly, whether you sent the request or they did. You'll see a first badge next to the name. You can message them directly and access their contact info. These are your closest connections and are the easiest to engage with. Next, we have second degree connections. These are people who are not directly connected to you, but they are connected to someone in your first degree network. Think of them as friends of friends. You don't know them yet, but they share a mutual connection. You can't message them directly unless you use LinkedIn InMail, but you can send them a request, and if they accept, they'll be a part of your first degree network. Next, we have third degree connections. These connections are even further away from your network. These are people who are connected to your second degree connections, but not to you directly. Just like second degree connections, you can't message them unless you send a connection request or use LinkedIn's InMail feature. At this point, LinkedIn's restrictions really start to limit your ability to connect, but we'll talk about how to work around that in just a second. Now, what about out-of-network users? Finally, these users are people who aren't even third-degree connections. They're completely outside your LinkedIn circle. Their profile might not even be visible, and you'll often see LinkedIn member instead of their name. To reach them, you'll have to expand your network until they become third-degree connection. And there you have it, LinkedIn's connection degrees in a nutshell. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like. And if you want to learn more about lead generation on LinkedIn, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.